Most men spend their entire lives believing women want emotional dependence. They think the secret to keeping a woman attracted is constant reassurance, endless attention, and emotional availability at every moment. So they text back immediately. They over-explain themselves. They make women the emotional center of their world. And at first, it seems logical, because women often say they want a man who is open, caring, and emotionally present. But then something confusing happens. The man who gives everything loses her attention, while the man who remains emotionally grounded becomes unforgettable. That contradiction is where the real story begins. Women are deeply drawn to emotionally independent men, yet part of them is also unsettled by them. Why? Because a man who does not emotionally depend on validation becomes impossible to control. His mood does not collapse when attention disappears. His confidence does not rise or fall based on her approval. He does not panic when distance appears. And that emotional stability creates a kind of silent power most men never develop. What makes this so fascinating is that the fear is rarely conscious. A woman may not even realize why she keeps thinking about a certain man long after he leaves the room. But her subconscious recognizes something dangerous in him. He cannot be manipulated through attention, affection, or withdrawal. He already belongs to himself. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why emotionally independent men become impossible for women to forget. Most emotionally dependent men do not even realize what they are communicating. They think they are showing love, loyalty, and commitment, but what they often project is emotional instability. You can see it in the small behaviors, the constant checking of her phone activity, the over-texting when she becomes distant, the subtle panic when replies take too long, the endless need for reassurance disguised as affection. Everything begins revolving around her reactions, her moods, her attention, and the more emotionally dependent a man becomes, the more his emotional state starts living in someone else's hands. Women feel that immediately. A woman may smile at the attention in the beginning, but deep down, emotional neediness creates pressure. It signals uncertainty. It tells her your emotional balance can be shaken too easily. Evolutionary psychology has always linked emotional steadiness with strength because calmness under emotional tension signals survival value. A man who collapses emotionally under uncertainty unconsciously communicates weakness, even if he is kind, intelligent, or attractive. Now compare that to the emotionally independent man. He enjoys her deeply, but he does not emotionally rely on her presence to feel complete. He has goals, routines, purpose, discipline, and an identity outside the relationship. If she pulls away for a day, he does not spiral. If conflict happens, he does not beg, chase, or emotionally explode. He remains centered, calm, grounded in himself. And ironically, that emotional self-control creates far more safety for a woman than emotional dependence ever could. Because here is the hidden truth most men never hear. Women feel safest emotionally with a man they cannot emotionally manipulate, not because women consciously want power, but because emotional stability creates trust. A man who stays emotionally grounded under pressure feels predictable in the deepest biological sense. Women may consciously say they want emotional openness every second of the day, but subconsciously they respond far more intensely to emotional control, restraint, and inner stability. Emotionally dependent men are easy to read. That is the uncomfortable truth nobody tells you. A woman quickly learns what controls them. She notices that one compliment can completely change their mood. One delayed reply creates anxiety. One cold moment suddenly makes them overthink everything. Their emotional state becomes tied to her behavior, and once that pattern becomes obvious, the mystery disappears. She knows exactly how to pull them closer, how to calm them down, and how to trigger reactions without even trying. Predictability kills emotional tension faster than rejection ever could. But emotionally independent men operate differently, and that difference changes everything. When an emotionally independent man experiences distance, he does not emotionally collapse. He does not immediately chase reassurance. If a text reply comes hours later, he continues living his life. He finishes his work. He goes to the gym. He follows through on his routines. His emotional world remains stable, whether attention is present or absent. And that stability creates something women rarely experience around most men. Uncertainty, not toxic uncertainty. Emotional uncertainty. She starts wondering why he is so calm, why he is not reacting the way other men react, why silence does not shake him, why conflict does not turn him desperate. And slowly, fascination begins replacing certainty. Because a woman becomes obsessed when she realizes your emotional world does not revolve around her. Think about how rare that is today. Most men immediately abandon their center. The moment they become emotionally attached, they over-explain after arguments. They send multiple messages after being ignored. They interrupt their own priorities just to maintain connection. But emotionally independent men maintain emotional discipline, not to manipulate women, but because they already have purpose beyond validation. That distinction matters. This is not emotional coldness. It is self-respect. It is knowing that your peace cannot depend entirely on another person's attention. And when a woman feels that grounded energy in a man, she experiences a tension she cannot easily explain. Part fascination, part admiration, part fear, because for the first time she is standing in front of a man whose emotional state she cannot fully control, and that makes him impossible to forget. There is another hidden fear that appears once a woman realizes a man is emotionally independent, and this one runs even deeper. It is the fear of losing access to him emotionally, not because he plays games, not because he acts distant, but because she senses he has a life, an identity, and a purpose that exist beyond her approval. That realization changes the emotional dynamic completely. Women feel emotionally safest around men who can stand on their own emotionally. A man with boundaries feels stable. A man with purpose feels grounded. And a man who can walk away without emotionally collapsing creates a level of respect that desperate men never experience. Because deep down, emotional security is not created by constant reassurance. It is created by emotional strength under pressure. Emotionally independent men never beg for attention. They do not chase validation every time distance appears. They do not make a woman the center of their entire existence. They love deeply, but they remain connected to themselves. And the moment she realizes you can emotionally survive without her, attraction changes completely. Suddenly, your attention becomes valuable. Human psychology has always worked this way. People value what feels difficult to secure. Dopamine is strongest when there is uncertainty attached to reward. When emotional access feels guaranteed, tension disappears. But when a man remains emotionally grounded and internally fulfilled, a woman starts feeling something unfamiliar around him. Intrigue, curiosity, even urgency. Think about the man who continues focusing on his mission after an argument instead of sending 10 emotional messages. The man who stays calm instead of over-explaining himself for hours. The man who does not panic every time emotional distance appears. Most women are used to emotional reactions controlling men, so when they encounter emotional discipline instead, it creates a strange kind of psychological tension. Part of her admires it, part of her feels safe around it, but another part fears it because she understands something important. She cannot secure this man through emotional control alone. And when a woman realizes your happiness, confidence, and identity are not fully dependent on her presence, she starts worrying about losing the very thing that makes you attractive in the first place. Here is the fatal mistake that destroys attraction in silence, and most men make it without realizing it. The moment they truly like a woman, they slowly abandon themselves. Their priorities begin shifting overnight. The routines that once gave them purpose start fading into the background. Friends become less important. Goals lose urgency. Emotional balance disappears. Suddenly, their entire emotional world begins orbiting around one person. At first it feels like love. They become overly available because they want connection. They text constantly because they crave reassurance. They explain every emotion because they fear misunderstanding. And little by little, the mystery that once made them attractive disappears completely. She no longer feels a man with his own emotional center. She feels someone emotionally leaning on her for stability. That is where attraction quietly begins dying. Most women will never consciously say this out loud because it sounds cruel, but something changes when a man loses himself emotionally inside the relationship. The moment his mood depends entirely on her attention, respect begins weakening underneath the surface. When his confidence rises and falls based on her replies, she feels the pressure of carrying his emotional state, and pressure kills emotional freedom. This is why so many men become confused. In the beginning, she admired their calmness, ambition, and independence. Then, after emotional attachment forms, those qualities vanish. The man who once had direction now revolves completely around the relationship, and subconsciously, she starts feeling like she lost the very man she was originally drawn to. But emotionally independent men understand something different. They still love deeply. They still care fully. They still invest emotionally. The difference is they do not abandon themselves in the process. Their identity remains intact. Their purpose remains alive. Their emotional stability still belongs to them first. And that creates a completely different kind of relationship energy. Instead of needing love to feel complete, they share love from a place of completeness. That is the difference most men never learn until after attraction has already disappeared. The most dangerous trait emotionally independent men possess is not dominance, money, looks, or status. It is emotional self-possession, the ability to remain internally grounded no matter what emotional atmosphere surrounds them. And once a woman experiences that kind of man, something shifts inside her that becomes incredibly difficult to forget, because emotionally independent men create a rare emotional combination almost nobody else can. They create safety and uncertainty at the same time. That is the secret. A woman feels safe because his emotions are stable. He does not explode during conflict. He does not emotionally manipulate. He does not create chaos every time insecurity appears. His presence feels grounded, calm, and emotionally mature, but at the exact same time, she feels uncertainty because she realizes his happiness does not depend entirely on her. And human beings become deeply attached to what feels emotionally valuable but not fully possessed. That is why women cannot stop thinking about men whose happiness does not depend on them. Think about the energy of that man for a moment. He does not chase, he does not panic, he does not beg for reassurance after every disagreement. When silence appears, he remains centered. When distance happens, he continues living his life. And that emotional calm becomes magnetic because it is so rare in a world full of emotional overreaction. Even the way he validates a woman feels different. He is not constantly seeking approval by overpraising her. His attention feels selective, intentional, grounded in genuine respect instead of emotional dependency. And because his validation is emotionally disciplined, it carries weight when he finally gives it. This is where admiration slowly transforms into obsession. Not unhealthy obsession built on manipulation, but psychological fixation created by emotional gravity. She keeps replaying conversations in her mind because his emotional energy feels difficult to read completely. His calm silence creates curiosity. His grounded presence creates emotional tension. His emotional steadiness creates trust, and together, those qualities become incredibly powerful. But underneath all of it lies the deepest fear of all. Women fear emotionally independent men because they know these men can leave without emotionally collapsing. They know his entire identity will not shatter if the relationship ends. And strangely enough, that emotional strength creates even more emotional attachment, because now she is no longer dealing with a man desperately trying to secure love. She is dealing with a man fully capable of surviving without it. And the moment that happens, everything changes. You stop becoming another man seeking love and become the man she fears losing. Emotional independence is not about becoming cold, distant, or emotionally unavailable. That is where so many men misunderstand the entire concept. Real emotional independence is not the absence of love, it is the absence of desperation. It is the ability to care deeply about someone without losing your identity, your purpose, or your emotional balance in the process. Needy men seek approval to feel valuable. They constantly search for reassurance because their confidence depends on external validation. Every text, every compliment, every moment of attention becomes emotional fuel. And the exhausting part is that women can feel that pressure immediately, even when nothing is being said out loud. But emotionally independent men create attraction naturally because their emotional stability comes from within. They are connected to their mission. They respect themselves. They maintain control over their emotions even during uncertainty. And that emotional discipline changes the way women experience them completely. Because the man who controls his emotions controls his value. The moment you stop chasing validation, your presence changes, your words carry more weight, your silence feels calmer, your attention becomes more meaningful. And without trying to force attraction, you become the kind of man women remember long after the conversation ends. Most men will spend their entire lives reacting emotionally to everything around them without ever understanding why attraction keeps slipping away from their hands. But you are starting to see the deeper pattern now. You are beginning to understand the psychology that silently shapes emotional attraction underneath the surface. So, if this opened your eyes, subscribe to the channel right now. In the next video, I'm going to reveal the silent behaviors women use to test whether a man is emotionally weak or emotionally dangerous.